Hi and welcome to TechyV.com, your solution provider. I'm Frank, and in this video I'll show you how to download and install FileZilla, which is a free and open source FTP application. So FTP, that is file transfer protocol, is an internet protocol for transmitting files between computers over the internet. And sometimes FTP file transfer is needed, especially for transferring large files with resume support. So to upload your files to a FTP server, you must need a FTP client, and FileZilla is an excellent application for this because it's really easy to use on its simple graphical interface. It's cross-platform based, so version for many operating systems in both 64 and 32 bits are available. Its tabbed based interface also allows you allows you to access many servers at once and drag and drop to process your transfer. It also allows you to transfer up to 4 GB with resuming at once, and the main feature is it's open source, so you have the freedom. Alright, now let's get started. So to download FileZilla, open a web browser and go to google.com. Then in the search box we'll type FileZilla and press enter to search. Okay, just click on the first link, that is filezillaproject.org, to navigate to the original web page. Here it is. Just click on download FileZilla client to get your download options. Okay, so since I'm showing you this installation in a 32-bit Windows based operating system, so I'm gonna download this set of file which matches with my configuration, and I'm assuming you're using the same. So click on this link to go to the download page. Within 5 seconds a pop-up window will come to confirm your download. If nothing happens, you can click on this direct link to launch it manually, and still if shows problem, you can click on this mirror to select your server manually where you're located. But if you're confused with it, you can leave it auto select. Okay, I'm not gonna download this from here because I've already have downloaded the setup file, and I'm gonna launch it from there. Okay, so here it is, the setup file. Just double click on it to run it. If you agree with this license agreement, then click I agree to proceed. By default it will be set for all users, but if you want to change only for administrative or other specific users, then you can select according to your listing and then click next to proceed. Here you'll configure your components which you want to install with FileZilla. I suggest you to leave them as it is, and if you want a desktop icon to be created, then click to check this box and click next to proceed. Okay, this will be your destination folder. If you want to change this, you can click browse and browse your directory from here, and click next. Okay, this is where your start menu shortcuts will be created. You can also configure this by selecting the listing according to your screen, then click install to start your installation process. Okay, it's done, and then click finish to launch your FileZilla now. Okay, so welcome to your FileZilla interface. Here you'll type your FTP server address, a username and password if it is provided, and you'll type your port number, then click quick connect. This is your computer directory, and this will be your server directory, so you can browse your files from here and drag and drop to the QE, and then click transfer to process QE to start file transferring immediately, and the process will show this QE. So thank you for watching this video, and check out for more videos from TechyV.com.